Hello viewers, today we will make the 3D dice, so let's begin. To make a dice, we select the cube, go to edit mode, right click and subdivide it. We have to subdivide it 2 times, so we will change the number of cards to 2. Now we will go to edge selection mode, select the boundaries of cubes and subdivide it 2 times. I am selecting the edges. Make sure to select all the edges. Now we are done. We will press Ctrl V to bevel it and this much. Now to make numbers, we go to the face selection mode. For 5, we will select these faces. For 2, we will select this one. For 1, we will select this. For 6, we will select this one. For 4, we will select this one. Okay, make them 3. 3, okay, not like that, no, like this. And for 4, we will select this one and this one. Now go to the pivot point option and set individual origins and press Alt E and extrude individual faces and press S, scale them. This will insert each face separately, and now we will extrude them again to make the depth. We will press E, extrude along normals. This will create the depth in the dice numbers, but they are in cubic shape, so we have to subdivide it. We will subdivide it by level 2 and smooth it out. Now this is like a real dice. Here we are done. We can give it texture, work at the render view and set up the lighting. I am choosing the environment light, not any light source. I'm not choosing any light source. I'm opening this up and setting background to transparent. Okay, now we will have to make another material for making digits visible. So I am adding a new material here and giving it a black color. Going with a no. Now I will select all the boundaries to give them the black color of digits. Make sure to select all the boundaries. Here we are. No, this number is left. Okay, all digits are done. Now we have to assign the material to it. Here we are. Our dice is ready now. You can place it and make a cool render with it. For now, this is it. You have to render it and make a cool renders for displaying or uploading on any web page. See you later guys. Bye bye.